Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be opening up some play boosters from Spider-Man set from Magic the Gathering. So let's open these up here. I'm just going to be going through a little bit quicker for the commons and uncommons, just seeing what kind of chase cards we could get here. So let's open this up. And if you want to actually see some of the cards, ooh, Spider-Gwen, of the commons and uncommons, just feel free to pause the video. Okay, so I've opened quite a few of these already, and I'm still not familiar with all the chase cards, but let's see, Aunt May, nice. But I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man, so very happy to see Strength of Will. Okay, it's an instant rare. Until end of turn, target creature you control gains indestructible, and whenever this creature is dealt damage, put that many +1/+1 counters on it. Interesting. Ooh, we hit a double rare pack. That's the first one. Then we have Electro. Flying. You don't lose unspent red mana as steps and phases end. Whenever you cast an instant or sorcery spell, add a red mana. Sweet. When Electro leaves the battlefield, you may pay X. When you do, he deals X damage to target player. That's pretty sick. Wow. Just in terms of playability, I'm a huge fan of the way that card reads. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. Oh, no way. Three rares in one. That's crazy. When this enters, look at the top 9 cards from target opponent's library, exile 2 of them, face down, then put the rest on the bottom of the library in random order. You may play exile a card for as long as they remain exiled. Mana of any type can be spent to cast spells this way. So you're going to be stealing people's cards. Wow, okay, 5 to cast, 2/3 creature. That is fantastic. Okay, yeah, I've seen a couple of videos of people, being concerned about the playability of some of these cards, but personally, I think some of the cards are really sick. And just being a fan of Spider-Man, just I'll be playing with these just due to the art style and everything. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I don't have time to read through all of these right now for you guys. I feel like that'd be quite a long video, so I'm gonna be jumping to the hits. Let's see. I'm excited to see what I get into, hoping for the Soul Stone, but Lady Octopus. Okay, whenever you draw your first or second card each turn, put a counter on this. You may cast an artifact spell from your hand with mana value less than or equal to the number of counters on this without paying its mana cost. It's a 0/2. It's only a 1-drop. Do we get more rares? Oh, another rare. Okay. Rocket-powered Goblin Glider. When this equipment enters, if it was cast from your graveyard, attach it to target creature you control. Equipped creature gets +2/+0, has flying and haste. Wow. Equip and Mayhem. Pay 2 for those. Nice. Okay. Whoa. Look at that. I mean, it's an uncommon, but still art style looks amazing on this. When this deals damage to a spider, destroy that creature. Huh. Exile this card from your library, create 2 tapped 1/1 colorless robot artifact creatures with flying. Okay, I'm just going to be building a commander deck with just the Spider-Man cards, just because, just trying to have some fun with Magic knowledge, trying to make the most powerful and strong commander decks, because I feel like that could be a little bit boring, but just playing decks that I have fun with. That's the goal for me at the moment. Okay. Yeah, the art style of this, super City Pigeon, super fun. As a Spider-Man fan, Bagel and Schmear. That's pretty silly. Ooh, what is this? So I don't know all the cards from the set. Haste, discard a card, sacrifice its creature, draw a card. I think just having that for fun somewhere would be pretty funny too in the playgroup. Ooh, I mean, this looks sick. It's an uncommon. Whenever a creature you control attacks alone, put a +1/+1 counter on it. Surveil X, where X is the number of counters on it. Okay, so not that great, but art style really neat. Radioactive Spider. Reach and Death Touch. Sacrifice this creature, search a library for a Spider Hero card, reveal it and put it into your hand, then shuffle, activate only as a sorcery. It's a 1-drop, 1/1, rare. Okay, we see research, there is the hollow, and there's the land. Okay. But yeah, in terms of the fun cards that come with this set. I'm very happy. I mean, hoping to pull a Soulstone. That'd be pretty cool if we could do that. Okay, these three are like the same exact ones that I got from like the last pack there. Come on, Soulstone. Ooh, Spider UK. Web Sling at the beginning of your end step. If you have two or more creatures enter the battlefield under your control this turn, you may draw a card and gain 2 life. Not like super good, but cool to just have. I'm gonna have as many Spider-Mans as I can. Urban Retreat. Okay, this land enters tapped. Add green, white, or blue. Return a tap creature you control to its owner's hand. Put this card from your hand onto the battlefield. Activate only as a sorcery. So it kind of has like just the web slinging ability. I mean, you're pulling a tap creature back. Okay, so ooh, nice, another fancy land. Okay, and then we'll put this one right here. Okay, we have two left. Let's see. Come on, can we hit Soulstone here? Hoping we do. All right. Ooh, Spider X, nice. Comet Crook, City Pigeon, Shock. I like that new Shock card. Let's see, Hot Dog card again. I can't wait to really sit down and like actually analyze the cards that I pulled because a lot of them seem super fun. Ooh, okay. Whenever this creature deals combat damage to a player, look at that many cards from the top of your library, put one of them into your hand and the rest into your graveyard. Ooh. Exile this card from your graveyard, put a +1/+1 counter on target creature you control. It gains this card's ability, activate only as a sorcery. That's pretty neat. Okay, so no double rares or anything on these, but I just feel like we opened at such a high note that I'm kind of like expecting them. I mean, at this point, but all right, let's see. Last chance at Soulstone for this video here, so let's see. Come on, don't let me down. Ooh, Venom, yes. Exile this card from your library, put 2 +1/+1 counters on target creature. It gains Death Touch until end of turn. Activate only as a sorcery. Okay, so you can't do that at instant speed, which is a little bit unfortunate, but kapow. Another one of those. All right, let's see. Ooh, we got Shocker here. Let's see, come on. Soulstone? Oh, okay. Well, Sandman. Power and toughness are equal to the number of lands you control. It can't be blocked by creatures of power 2 or less. Okay, so yeah, people can't just use their tokens to block this, which is pretty sick. Pay 5, return this card, and target land from your graveyard to the battlefield tapped. Whoa. That's pretty sick. I could just keep coming back. It's a 3-drop. Oh, I mean, it's going to be a 5-drop if you use that ability. That's going to be great for my land deck. Kapow. Shiny. All right. No Soulstone today, unfortunately, but able to get some pretty decent hits here. Like I said, with that initial start with like the double or triple rares. I forget exactly, but all right, here is some of the hits that we have. Yeah, no, this is a really fun set, and I have set aside here just a couple of other hits that I was able to pull from this set as well so far. Let me see, did I grab all of them? 9 Lives, Miles Morales. Oh, that one's not, doesn't count. But yeah, oh my goodness, take a look at all these. It just looks, this set is so much fun, and I'm very excited to start building decks around it. I would definitely recommend checking this out.